Hello viewers, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to create a directional blur shake with a zoom transition in Capcut using your desktop. Let's get started. Firstly, open Capcut and place your video clips. I have already placed the video clips that we are going to use as an example for today's tutorial. After you have added the video clips that you are going to use, locate the Effects section and click on Video Effects. Then click on Opening and Closing. Finally, find Vertical Blur and add it. After adjusting the vertical blur effect to last 0.3 seconds, duplicate it twice for every video clip. Ensure it is placed at the beginning of each clip. Next, click on the video clip. Then proceed to the animation section, which is located at the upper right side of the screen. Click on In, then search and add the swing bottom as the intro effect for the video clip. Decrease the duration of the effect to 0.2 seconds. Repeat the same process for all of the video clips. Next, proceed to the Media section and click on Library. Add the blank white image in between the vertical blur effect and the video clip. Position this image at the beginning of the video clip, then reduce its length so it covers only about 3/4 of the video clip. As you can see from what I have done, make sure to leave some space at the end of the video clip. Next, proceed to the Animation section and click on Out, locate and select Fade Out. Lastly, decrease its duration to 0.4 seconds. Next, go to the Video section, then change the mode of the blend from normal to overlay. Also decrease the opacity from 100% to 75%. Next, duplicate the white image for as many video clips as you have. Make sure to align it at the beginning of each video clip, like what I have done here. After doing this step, it will look something like this. Next, proceed to the Media section. This time, add the black image between the white image and the video clip, then reduce the size of it. However, ensure it's smaller than the white image. Finally, align it with the end of the video clip. Next, proceed to the Animation section. Click on In, then locate Fade In and add it. After that, duplicate it as many times as there are video clips. Ensure to align it at the end of each video clip, similar to what I've done here. After you've completed these steps, your result should appear like this. I believe the black and white images are placed too far apart from each other. To improve this, I suggest making the black and white images overlap or touch each other. However, the final decision rests upon your personal preference for the transition effect. Now that's what I'm talking about. Finally, for the final touch, click the video clip. Then add the position and size keyframe at the beginning and end of the video clip. Increase the scale of the end keyframe to 130% and rotate it by 10 degrees. Do this for all of the video clips. And here's the final result. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.